fun. Today we go to Marum restaurant.
Marum.
The driver is Malin. It's too far. And I'm nearly to her. I can't see the others. Because you were too slow. But if I drive faster, it's not good. Hello, mommy. Hello, mom.
Hello.
Mom. This is the resort.
Ugly
Pub.
Richard with bad hair.
Yeah, pub and restaurant. Focus on you, road. I am right.
I see the light. So far. I will hurry.
Your daughter will be slim.
Will die.
You should need bicycle.
But without person on the bed.
It's for you only.
But
Not
you.
for 2 persons.
Yes, because I'm heavy enough.
Uh-oh.
Your side, my side.
The next restaurant is our favorite restaurant.
Really?
Yes, by God. And it's nearly to departure.
Do you want to hear my?
So, Malin, breathe.
I'm fine. Where are they?
It's by God.
What?
No, it's by turn left. Turn left. I will walk. Okay, departure here. Hey, hey.